Good morning. Let's look at today's trade plan. Technically, we're still below our key moving averages, the 9, the 20, and the 50, sitting right on top of our VWAP with increased volume as of the last week or so trading days. Let's come over to our zones. Let's pop out to a daily chart of the XBT with our support and resistance zones. Our initial market resistance is going to be in that 8702, 8789 range, which will act as our initial resistance for today. Above that, we have our 9070 and our 9290 key points of various components of VPOX and swing action. If we look below in our green support basis, not a lot of data points at this time, seeing as our low of 5880 being put in, such that we'll look for initial resistance at the 8267, 8441 zone. Some areas are more pertinent to zones, and some are more data points. As we see here, right around 8,000, we had some significant support, and also at that 75, 71. I'm going to say that that's probably our strongest support. If we go below that, we'll have to reevaluate as we move into that 5880 area. Let's take a quick peek at the shorter time frame. 15 minutes is the way I like to view this market because of the number of contracts traded at this point. Again, our short-term bias is negative, and we look at how we've been reacting to our trade zones as of late. We almost touched our 75, 71 support area, came back up into what we consider right now as to be our support, which at one point was resistance. But this area is tight, this area is strong. Like as we mentioned, a good area of resistance where responsive sellers may step in is at 8702, 8789, and above that 9070, 9290. We'll be looking today to see whether the bulls or bears will be in control. We're going to look at that 8702, 8789 resistance area as key, and we're going to look at this 8267 to 8441 support area as key. We will take a look at the market at the end of the day. Hope you all trade well.